Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make presets on CapCut PC. It's actually pretty simple. You're just going to get your video, and for instance, you added in some adjustments to it like temps, tint, saturation. I'm just doing this randomly, sharpen, stuff like that. And you want to save this preset, okay? So there's going to be a save as preset, but you do have to log into your account on the PC app or else you won't be able to save it. Save as preset. And as you can see, it's saved to my space. And to use that preset, you'll be able to find it here in adjustments. And then under presets, you'll be able to find the presets that you saved. Just grab it and add it to your track. That is pretty much how you can save presets. Make sure you also have like a space as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.